Right now, the towns involved are Riverdale, Pompton Lakes, and Pequannock. We're awaiting further word from Pompton Lakes as to evacuations, the number of evacuations that have to be made. The truck just went back in again for another trip. And there's approximately about 2.5 feet of water, and it's still rising very rapidly, about 6 inches an hour, with a very strong current coming through. We're projecting 21 feet, which is well above flood stage. So right now, there must be probably about 100 people have been evacuated, I would say, and they are checking homes as they're going along, shutting utilities off.